Here's where we've got to put the, and up into the, okay, the shaft had to be pressed on to this, and we don't know what the length is going to be yet, but it would not go on the steering gear without being widened with the hydraulic press. Okay, that's how it goes. It's a bit too much. Still looks like a little too much penetration on this side. So, I'm building a tool to press that down so I can widen the gap to get the piece that normally would have to go in by being pressed. So I'm going to press it in with this. So, kind of building a tool from a ball joint puller for any. Plus, I welded up this vice grips so that it'll break the grip. Okay, here's what we're doing, trying to spread that out in order to fit that there, which it won't do because this is all supposed to be one unit up inside here, and as you can see we're taking the dash apart to get to all this. Well, thank you, dear Lord. You can see this here now. It now actually fits in there. Okay, great. That was the custom piece here. Welded on here. Okay, that needs to be tightened up. But I got that on. it was like a 1/4 inch off to get it in. So what I did was I backed off on the subframe nuts and lowered down this side of the subframe enough that that would just slip over. So now we just need to tighten that. Okay, so the dash is back together.